manger ou quitter manger l'ambiance. Allez, score ou mettre n'importe brillant. Chérie, manger banane.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl ROXSLAY and I am back with another wig review. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. Also make sure you hit that bell button so you don't miss any notifications of when I upload new videos. So today you guys, I'm going to be showing a review on this hair that I have on right now. This unit was sent to me from Samsbeauty.com. Y'all already know they be looking out for your girl. So it is from their Studio Out collection. It is their invisible deep part wig and the design is called Ritzy. It does look a little ritzy now. But I have it in the color OT Gold Brown. And here is what the stock card looks like. They have this available in another color. I think it's like OT chocolate. Like they have a chocolate brown, but this one is the gold brown. All right, so just to let you guys know, if you guys were interested in definitely purchasing this unit, I will be leaving the link down in the information box below if you guys are interested. So I'm gonna go ahead and insert a clip of how I installed the unit. It's super easy. Like this took me, I would say, under 5 minutes for sure. So if you guys are interested in the deets and my thoughts on this unit and all of that jazz, just go ahead and stay till the end and I'm gonna give you guys all the information that you need to know about this unit. All right, hope you guys enjoy.
My sexy love, say you love me, but you never left for me, yeah. Ooh, all we do is make up and break up. Why don't we wake up and see? It's that remix to ignition. I'm fresh out the kitchen. Mama rolling that body, got every minute you wishing. We sipping our golden rum. I'm like, so what, I'm drunk. It's the freaking weekend, baby. I'm thinking you should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need, but you don't have to call. No, it's okay, girl, cause I'ma be alright tonight. I'm lost without you, I can't help myself. How does it feel to know that I love you, babe? And I only met this girl on Monday, took her for a drink on Tuesday. We were making love by Wednesday, and on Thursday and Friday and Saturday, and chilled on Sunday. But if you're on that, let's do it. Ride it, my pony, yo. I don't know your name, but excuse me, miss. I wanna take you down, I really wanna take you down. Cause you remind me of a girl that I once knew. Okay, you like it when I get aggressive. Tell you to go slow, go faster.
Alright you guys, well I hope you enjoyed that review. Just a couple things that I do have to say about this unit. So I did not receive much shedding with this unit. So y'all know that's like a plus for your girl. Like no shedding, what girl? And it's a colored unit. Like I love this color. Like I don't think y'all understand what's going on, but like I love the mixture of brown and gold, and I just love it. I think this is super cute. Like I think they did a really good job constructing this. So this wig did not come with a lace, so you don't have to cut off any type of lace. So if you're one of those people who are concerned about, well, I don't know how to cut the lace and all of that, girl, this is your go-to wig right here. You don't even have to cut the lace. I didn't do any plucking or none of that. So super easy, beginner friendly. I believe, I'm not sure how much this unit retails for, so I'm not even gonna lie to you, but I will be leaving the link down in the information box below if you guys are interested in purchasing. I will say it is big head friendly. So I know sometimes you guys ask me that, but this unit is big head friendly for sure. Like I had to clip 2 of the clips up front. Now if you are a returning subscriber and you already know how your girl operates, I don't typically like to use the clips in the front because it gives me a headache, but this is big head friendly. So even with me clipping this in right now, it's actually not giving me a headache and it's not hurting my head too much, which I absolutely love that. Because normally if I do have to clip in a unit for whatever reason, or if it's too small, or if it's like really snug, that'll hurt your head. Like pinning it, like clipping it, and on top of that it's small head friendly, that's gonna hurt your head. That typically hurts my head. I don't know about y'all, but I'm like really tender-headed, okay? So but yeah, y'all, that is really it. That's all I have to say about this unit. Am I missing anything? I don't think so. I think this comes in like maybe 2 other colors. I'm just checking the box to see if it tells you what other colors it comes in. No, it does not. But I believe, if I'm not mistaken, it comes in like 2 other colors, but I'm not for sure. But you definitely got to get in this color, y'all. Like, why not? This is so cute. Why wouldn't you get in this color? Why would you get black, you know? And typically, like, I wouldn't normally wear like a lot of my color units. I don't typically wear them out like this. I would wear this out. Like, I think this is really cute, for sure. Like, all the way. Your girl is popping, okay? So, yeah. She is so cute, y'all. I'm thoroughly impressed with this. For the simple fact that it didn't come with a lace and it lays just fine. Like, I'm thoroughly impressed with this unit. And another thing, I don't normally wear my like side off to like on this side. This is normally my side, but I'm kind of okay with this. I feel like this looks really good, you know what I'm saying? All right, guys, but yeah, that's all that I have for you guys today. I believe I answered any questions that you guys may have asked. So yeah, it is big head friendly. It does not shed. I haven't tried to put it in a ponytail or anything like that. I don't know if you can. You might see the liner. It might look really wiggy if you try to put it in a ponytail. So I wouldn't recommend putting it in a ponytail. As you guys can see, it doesn't come with lace all around. So yeah, you're gonna have to wear it like this. You're gonna have to wear it down. I don't see a point in trying to make baby hairs with this at all. Unless you want to make baby hairs with your own hair, then that's fine, but I just don't see a point in why you would do that with this hair at all. So it doesn't need it. It does not need it at all. And I love the length. Like, it's not like super long. I feel like it's just right. Seriously, the perfect summer look. And it's a summer color, like these highlights and everything. Your girl is popping for the summer. Hot girl summer. All right, you guys, that is all that I have for you guys today. Please definitely leave some comments down in the description, in the comment section down below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell. Help your girl reach 15K subscribers. Once I reach 15K subscribers, I will be doing another wig giveaway. I know I haven't done one in a while, but once I reach 15K, I will be doing another wig giveaway. So yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching, and see you guys on my next video. Bye.